So we are in Gandia, Costa Blanca already for 1 month, and I would like to show you a little of the area. So this is our house. We are staying at the first floor. Downstairs we have a neighbors from Sweden. Garden area, and swimming pool is closed now, but we'll open it once it's a little warmer. So it's off season, it's March. We are paying for this house €750 per month. When you go out, here we have a small street and our car is parked here, and this is the view of the mountains, maybe like 20 minutes drive. And here we are walking to the beach. Also, I will try to fly a little drone later and show you the view of the mountains and the sea by the end of the video. So this part of the city is really calm. It's mostly houses and they are empty right now because they are waiting for the tourists to arrive during the summer. This is the name of the district, Marenis. Yeah, all of those big houses just next to the beach empty. Here is a small wide parking lot for camper vans. So this is the beach. People are fishing here. We managed to find some friends last weekend, so we will be coming here tomorrow also fishing. Here I don't know if you can see the mountains, but it's next to city Denia. This is actually not main beach of Gandia. It's a more calm one. We will show in another video maybe the other beach and also a little more of the city. This is Puerto de Gandia. People are coming fishing here from the rock, but I have never seen anyone catching any fish. So tomorrow we come, let's see. This bridge leads to a port, to the harbor, and also to the city center. Maybe I'll walk there, take a look. Here also some camper vans. This guy has a kayak and he does fishing in the sea with the kayak. So I'm walking to the bridge. I have to walk like, I don't know, around. It's 6:39, 22nd of March. I think the sunset is around 7:15. So as you can see, it's really calm here. Nothing special happening. But when you go to the city, it's pretty nice. Many people, many restaurants. You will see. Sunset soon. And here is a river which goes to the sea. Here you can see the buildings already. For tourism, it's close to the beach, this part of the city, and the center is somewhere there. Pretty nice view. So last weekend we made some friends, some from US, some from here, and also from Poland. And we learned that Gandia is actually a very Spanish city. It's hard to communicate here in English. We are already taking lessons with a great teacher, and we will be learning Spanish almost back at the beach. So I will be starting the drone, and hopefully you will see some nice views. Forgot to mention that sometimes people are surfing here when there are waves. That the sunset will be really nice, so I have to quickly start the drone.